Abdali Grammar School, English 2nd, Chapter number 1, Amazing Animals, Lecture number 1, Groups of different animals. Amazing Animals, Paragraph number 1, Words, Synonyms. Amazing, हैरतअंगेज, wonderful, stunning. Breathe, सांस लेना, inhale, respire. Move, हरकत करना, change place, walk. Different, मुख्तलिफ, separate, opposed. Groups, grow, classes, category. Breathe, moving. Look at this picture. All animals can breathe and move. What can all animals do? All animals can breathe and move. Different types of animals. Look at this picture. How they are the same and how they are the different. In this picture, some animals are big, some animals are small. Some animals are tall, some animals are small. Some have 4 legs, some can fly, some can swim, some lay their eggs, some have babies. Mammals, birds. For this, we put them into groups. Why we put them into groups? We put them into groups for classification. Paragraph number 2. Words, synonyms. Keep, रखना. Remain, stay. Warm, garam. Hot, heat. Shell, बाहरी सतह, outside, cottage. Inside, अंदरूनी हिस्सा. Into, inner. Safe, महफूज रखना. Protect, secure. Birds. All birds have 2 legs, 2 wings and feathers, and most birds can fly. Tell the name of some parts of the birds. 2 legs, 2 wings and feathers. And all birds can fly with the help of their wings. Look at this picture. In this picture, there are shown the wings and feathers help them fly, and the feathers help keep them warm. Look at there. Birds can fly with the help of their wings, and it also helps keep them warm. Feathers help keep them warm. Birds lay eggs with hard shell. Look at this picture. Birds has egg in hard shell. Look at there. They keep the baby birds inside safe from animals that want to eat them. In this picture, crow want to eat the eggs of the other birds that are in the nest. Birds keep their eggs safe in the nest. Paragraph number 3. Words, synonyms. Safe, महफूज रखना. Protect, secure. Scales, छिलके. Flakes, skewed. Dangerous, खतरनाक. Harmful, threatening. Want, चाहना. Wish, desire. Swim, तैरना. Float, dive. Fish. Look at this picture. Fish have gills. Fish have gills to help them breathe in water. Why does fish have gills? Fish have gills to help them breathe in water. Scales. There are many scales on the fish body. Scales all over their bodies help keep them safe from dangerous fish that want to eat them. Why does fish have scales all over their body? Fish have scales all over their body to keep them safe from dangerous fish that want to eat them. Tails, fins. They don't have legs, but their fins and tails help them swim. How does fish move? Fish can move with the help of its fins and tail, as shown in this picture. Life cycle of a fish. Fish lay their eggs in water and their eggs are soft. Where does fish lay their egg and what kind of their eggs are? Fish lay their eggs in water and their eggs are soft. Paragraph number 4. Words, synonyms. Interesting, दिलचस्प. Fascinating, compelling. Because, क्योंकि, due to, that's why. Need, ज़रूरत, require. Want, place, जगह. Location, area. young, नौजवान, teenage, immature, amphibians. Amphibians are very interesting because they can live on land and in water. What are amphibians and where do they live? Amphibians are very interesting. They can live on land and in water too. Look at there. Amphibians need to have wet skin, so they live in wet places. Why do amphibians need to have wet skin? Amphibians need to have wet skin to live in wet places. There are some amphibians. They lay their soft eggs in water. Where do amphibians lay their eggs? Amphibians lay their eggs in water. Gills. They have gills when they are young, and the gills help them to breathe in water. Why do amphibians have gills? Amphibians have gills to breathe in water. Look at the picture. Most amphibians, like frog, have legs that help them walk and jump on land. How do amphibians move? Amphibians like frog have long legs to move and jump on land. Paragraph number 5. Words, synonyms. Land, zameen. State, country. Cover, महफूज रखना. Shield, protect. Help, मदद करना. Sport, favor. Mammals. Some mammals live on land and some live in water. Where do mammals live? Some mammals live on land and some live in water. Look at the picture. What are water mammals? Whales are water mammals. They have babies. Look at the picture. Cat, rabbits, and lions are land mammals. Tell the name of some land mammals. Cat, rabbits, and lions are some land mammals. Hair or fur covers most land mammals' bodies, and this helps keep them warm. What does cover most land mammals' bodies? Hair or fur covers most land mammals' bodies. People are mammal too. Mammals don't lay eggs. What are people? People are mammals too. Look at the picture. Their babies drink milk from their mother. From where their babies drink milk? Mammals' babies drink milk from their mothers.